Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to Zoom Story. If you are new to this channel, you are requested to subscribe my channel for more updates. Please try to watch the full video. In this tutorial today, I'll try to teach you how to change your object color in Photoshop step by step. First click File menu, then click Open to pick the image in artboard. Then click Properties panel and click Create New File or Adjustment Color to select Solid Color. Then click Normal to multiply. Then click Image from toolbar to make invert. Now the portion of layer has become black. Select brush tool and press D to make sure foreground and background color. Click Magic Pen tool to select the object, then select brush tool to color the object carefully. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you want to watch later in commenting. I think this video is easy and quick to learn for graphic designers who are looking to improve their skill in Adobe Illustrator by using new tips and tricks. Please being with us to learn graphic design, embroidery design and CAD/CAM system step by step. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, please share this video. Subscribe and likes will be a great support to create good content. Bye bye. We can pick another color if we wish. Click File and save the drawing in your folder.